I'm sorry if the printer is really loud, but I did do a reel on my shipping station. This is my shipping station. It is in the corner. It's a small little area in the corner of my studio, and it's where I keep all of the shipping supplies that I need for my orders. I usually will organize this area every single Friday when I am organizing my studio and my office, but I did do a reel on this, or a short, just kind of showing you all how I organize it. And I really do love this station because it does help me to keep everything kind of in sight to where I can easily see what I have and what I don't have. So here is some additional planners that I've printed. I still need to punch holes in these. I've already done the ones underneath it, but this is a budget planner. And then I also have some Tom 90 planners here, and we are just printing so that we can assemble them and get them out of the door. So this was my Bath & Body Works order. I ordered some products for my home and also ordered some products for my girls. The first thing that I got was a candle for my home. I do like to keep candles throughout our home, and so this one will go in the living room. I also ordered 2 hand soaps, the foaming hand soap. So I got one for the guest bathroom and one for my upstairs master bathroom. And I also ordered a room spray, just to spray around the house as I need to. The other thing that I purchased were some products for my girls. I got the body spray, the lotion, and the shower gel in the scent 1,000 Wishes. Both of them absolutely love this scent. So I'm going to wrap this up. This will be their very last Christmas present. Okay, I have everything still running in my shop. It is 10:30 right now. So I have some water here. I've already had my coffee, and now I am about to eat. So since we're still on vacation, I'm kind of in vacation mode. I mean, I'm working, but I still consider this like the holiday break. I decided to get a bacon Gouda sandwich from Starbucks. It is my favorite sandwich that they make, but it's like bacon, cheese, egg on a croissant, I guess this is, or some type of bun. It is New Year's Eve, so I decided that since I'm working on New Year's Eve, trying to catch up, that I was gonna treat myself and get this sandwich today. So that's what we're having for breakfast. Some additional things that I need to do is I wanted to film my December flip through video. I also wanted to film my January reset video. I am super behind on that because I was supposed to reset around the 28th. So that was like Wednesday, but I have been trying to catch up on orders so much and just get everything back organized, and we were traveling, so it just hasn't happened yet. But today is my deadline. So I'm gonna continue printing in the shop while I also film in my office. And I'm like writing out my list. I actually need to do a daily planning sheet. I really need to take time out to actually plan it out. So that's what we'll do. But first, I'm gonna finish my breakfast. A couple of days ago, I received this package. It is from YouTube. I have no idea what's inside, but the box is huge. So I'm about to open it because it's been sitting in my living room for about the past 3 days. I don't know if you guys can see this, but very pretty box. Oh, how nice. So it says the organized money here. It's like a thank you note from YouTube. It has a drawer. Oh my goodness. Look how cool is this. So it has like how many likes, comments, shares, views, and my days since joining YouTube. And they put like quotes from different people who have commented on my videos, and then they put like my top 2 videos here, and they called it the Organized Money Greatest Hits. Isn't that super cool? That is so cool. I really love this. And then let's see if I open it up. It's a Stevie Wonder album. I am in awe. Oh my goodness. So I have cleaned off my desk, cleaned down underneath my desk, and I have found a spot for the record players.
Grown diamonds with 14 karat solid gold handmade bases. They are modular, so they have the same base and you can use different add-ons to create endless combinations. So it's really cool how you can mix and match pieces to really have a fabulous variety of looks.
And this is how I spent the rest of my afternoon, just packing orders. I was packing up cash envelopes, planners, sticker orders, just whatever I could, and catching up as quickly as I could. So I always wonder if these vlogs are super interesting to you all. So please let me know in the comments below if y'all like this style, if you like this type of content, if y'all want to see more content like this from me. After I finished in the shop around 6 p.m., I did catch up with my planner, check everything off, and then I switched over to some home chores. I did a couple of cleaning things, and that was it for the evening. For the evening, we did do dinner. It was burger and fries, and that was it for my entire day. I do have some additional videos coming out this week showing you how I'm going to be resetting and doing different things in my planner. So please look forward to that, and I will see you then. Until then, keep organizing your life so that you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.